News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Gorakhpur, Bank Note Press, Devas, Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, and Barmer Lorry and Company Limited. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Gorakhpur is one of the new aims established as a part of the initiative under Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana PMSSY by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. These institutes have been established with the aim of correcting regional imbalances in quality tertiary level healthcare in the country and attaining self-sufficiency in graduate and postgraduate medical education and training. AIIMS Gorakhpur will impart both undergraduate and postgraduate medical education in all branches of medical science and related fields, along with nursing and paramedical training to bring together in one place educational facilities of the highest order for the training of personnel in all branches of healthcare activities. Applications are invited from Indian national or person registered under Overseas Citizenship Act 1956 for the following faculty post on direct recruitment basis in various departments of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Gorakhpur. 30 posts of professor, 22 posts of additional professor, 29 posts of associate professor, and 46 posts of assistant professor. Last date of online application is 30 days from the date of advertisement published in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. The above vacancies are provisional and subject to variation. The Executive Director, AIIMS Gorakhpur, reserves the right to vary the vacancies, including reserved vacancies, as per the Government of India rules or circulars and requirements. Application form along with department-wise details of seats, reservation, terms and conditions, etc. of the various posts will be uploaded on the Institute's website www.aimsgorakhpur.edu.in. All the applicants are advised to regularly check AIIMS Gorakhpur website on regular basis for any further updates. Bank Note Press Devas MP invites online applications from Indian nationals for filling up the various posts of Devas unit. 1 post of Welfare Officer, 1 post of Supervisor Ink Factory, 15 post of Junior Office Assistant, 60 post of Junior Technician Ink Factory, 23 post of Junior Technician Printing, 15 post of Junior Technician Electrical or IT, and 15 post of Junior Technician Mechanical or AC. Applications are also invited for filling up the following vacancies for India Government Mint Noida, one of the 9 units under SPMCIL. 1 post of Secretarial Assistant and 3 posts of Junior Office Assistant. Opening of website link for applying online applications is from 12th May 2021 to 11th June 2021. Payment of fees in online mode is from 12th May 2021 to 11th June 2021. For complete details including qualifications, reservation, relaxation in upper age limit, examination fee, selection process, how to apply online, general information and instructions and other details, please visit the website bnpdevas.spmcil.com. Next is information on Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, its vision, mission and core values. Indian Institute of Management, Shillong has been set up with the vision of expansion and mobilization of facilities for offering good quality management education and research in the northeastern region of India. The decision of coming up with an Indian Institute of Management in the Northeast was unanimously taken by the Union Minister of Human Resource Development along with the Chief Ministers of the Northeastern states in the review meeting held at Shillong during June 2004. Shillong was drafted as the permanent location for the institute after consultation between the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region (DONER) and the Chief Ministers of states of the region. Its vision is to become an internationally recognized management institute with a global outlook grounded in Indian values. Mission is to generate and disseminate knowledge in all aspects of management education for sustainable development and to develop innovative leaders with strong ethical values. Core values are openness to new ideas and experiences, intellectual freedom, self-experimentation and creative pursuit, adherence to fair, just and ethical practices, and compassion for others. Located in the green counters of northeastern part of the country, IIM Shillong, which commenced operations in 2008, remains committed to its goal of excellence in management education and research so as to evolve into a nationally and internationally recognized educational institution. Besides high-quality standards and academic rigor, which are considered as the hallmark of an IIM, in IIM Shillong there is also emphasis on the ever-growing significance of sustainable development and business practices. The institute strives to impart to its students ethical values, compassionate behavior, and concern for society. To ensure a holistic management education and to help the graduates grow into innovative leaders of the future, the institute provides opportunities outside the classrooms as well, be it industrial interactions, sports competitions, cultural activities, or entrepreneurial pursuits. The quality of instruction, rigorous course curriculum, and exposures that the students get at IIM Shillong when coupled with their summer internship experience makes them adequately prepared and confident to face the challenges of the corporate world. And now the vacancy. Indian Institute of Management Shillong invites applications for the following non-teaching post. 1 post of audit officer on contract for a period of 5 years initially and performance to be reviewed annually. Last date of submission of online application is 15th May 2021. For further details, please visit the website www.iimshillong.ac.in. Barmer Lorry and Company Limited, Government of India Enterprise invites applications from professionals for the following posts. 1 post of Head Operations for Temperature Controlled Warehouse, 1 post of Head Marketing for Temperature Controlled Warehouse, 1 post of Assistant Manager Marketing for Temperature Controlled Warehouse, 1 post of Deputy Manager IT for Travel and Vacations, 1 post of Assistant Manager IT for Travel and Vacations, 1 post of Assistant Manager Manufacturing for Industrial Packaging, 1 post of Chief Manager IT for Corporate IT, 1 post of Assistant Manager HR for Corporate HR, 1 post of Assistant Manager HR for Regional HR East. The cut-off date for minimum relevant experience and maximum age is 21st May 2021. All candidates who are eligible as on the cut-off date may apply for the currently advertised position. Panel may be drawn as against interviews conducted, if any, during the recruitment process for filling of similar vacancies arising in future as per the recruitment rules of the company. For details and to apply, log on to careers at www.barmerlorry.com/pages/current opening. Last date for submission of online applications is 21st May 2021. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.